Hey guys, it's me Brian of Mortar and Pastry, and today, gagawa tayo ng oatmeal cookies. These are crumbly, crunchy cookies full of flavors, kaya naman tara, simulan na natin. Sa isang bowl, sift natin all together yung ating 1 1/4 cup ng all-purpose flour, half teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Sa bowl naman ng ating stand mixer, beat natin together yung ating 225 grams ng butter and half cup each of brown and white sugar. Once pale and creamy, pwede na natin i-add yung ating 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon ng vanilla for flavor. Mix it well to incorporate the eggs, then pwede na natin i-add yung ating dry ingredients kanina. Mix lang natin just until wala ng visible flour on top. Then pwede na natin i-stir in yung ating 2 cups ng quick cooking oats and 2 cups ng whole rolled oats. Pwede rin kayong gumamit ng purong quick cooking oats dito para mas pino, mas crunchy, and mas may texture yung ating oatmeal cookies. Mix lang natin just to stir in the oats. Then lastly, pwede na natin i-add yung half cup each ng ating chocolate chips, raisins, crushed roasted cashews, and sliced almonds. Roasted yung mga nuts na ginamit natin para lumabas yung flavor at para hindi makunat at crunchy kapag nakagat sa cookies. After that, gamit ang medium size na ice cream scoop, scoop na natin yung mixture sa ating pan lined with parchment paper. Flatten lang natin ng konti, then top with more sliced almonds before baking. Then, pwede na natin silang i-bake sa preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 15 minutes or until maging golden yung edges. For this recipe, nakagawa tayo ng 30 pieces ng medium size cookies. Palamigin lang natin sila completely over a wire rack, and that's it. Enjoy your homemade oatmeal cookies.